Jtekt presents our innovative line for efficient motor case production. This line concept offers unique process integration advantages while providing exceptional flexibility to manufacturers. E-axle is a system that integrates the motor, inverter, gears, and other components required for electric vehicle operation, which were traditionally equipped separately. The motor case is a critical housing component, which reduces vibration and noise generated by the rotating motor and gears built into the E-axle. This section introduces 4 key points required for the processing lines and production of high output and large motor cases. First and foremost, a wide, spacious machining area that can accommodate large EV motor cases is a necessity. Second, any production equipment implemented must meet the high precision standards required by EV motor cases. Third, unattended operation provides increased efficiency while reducing labor requirements. Fourth, process integration and production flexibility are highly valuable in order to adapt to fluctuations in production volume and type. Let us introduce the range of products and technologies exclusive to Jtekt, which are designed to address each key point. This is the FV7000Z Vertical Machining Center, which has a wide work area to accommodate large EV motor cases and achieves high machining accuracy. Regarding the wide work area, high output E-axle production uses large, lengthy motors, which require motor cases with deep arm dimensions. In order to machine EV motor cases with deep arm dimensions, we have expanded the machining stroke from 600 to 700 millimeters for X-axis, 500 to 700 millimeters for Y-axis, and 400 to 550 millimeters for Z-axis, compared to the conventional machine. We're proud to present equipment with the widest machining area in its class. The second point is high machining accuracy. E-axles are designed to perform quietly with maximum efficiency. Similarly, this concept applies to motor case manufacturing as well, where high levels of accuracy and efficiency must be maintained. To achieve high machining accuracy, thermal displacement can be reduced by 50% compared to conventional spindles. By circulating temperature-controlled cooling oil to the spindle that rotates the tools. This enables high-precision machining, such as right angles of motor holes. Furthermore, Jtekt's latest technology, Thermal Matrix E, measures not only the outside air temperature, but also the temperature of each part of the machine. Jtekt's unique analysis logic corrects machining errors caused by thermal deformation to achieve highly accurate machining. In addition, by using Edge Checker, a technology that promotes intelligence in manufacturing, data is collected in real time throughout machining. The accumulated data is then analyzed by our proprietary AI algorithm to determine tool life. Tools that can still be used but were replaced under quantitative control are used up to their fullest potential, thereby contributing to tool cost reduction. The third point is unattended operation and the reduction of labor requirements. Robot transfer systems are installed in a line configuration among 4 vertical machining centers, which achieves a reduction of manpower requirements and offers a consistent, unattended flow of production. By developing and leveraging technologies that instantly recognize the type and shape of workpieces via camera, we have produced a fully automated system that removes workpieces from pallets and prevents incorrect loading. In terms of transferring, TransSpider, a robot transfer system, can be used to create a flexible automatic transfer system that is not affected by workpiece positioning. The fourth point incorporates process integration and production flexibility, both of which are critical elements in adapting to a fluctuating range of output volumes and component specifications. We present a process integration system with remarkable production flexibility, which can easily adapt to fluctuations in volume, as well as the type of components being manufactured by our customers. In addition to the notable space-saving advantages offered by our machinery, our automatic transfer system provides unrivaled flexibility for expansion and reconfiguration as needed. With an innovative solution that truly incorporates process integration and production flexibility, Jtekt is proud to contribute to the advancements in EV motor case manufacturing and towards the ongoing success of our valued customers.